everybody, American Running Garage. We made it out. Look, we've got the 1974 out here. We made it to Macon. There's a lot of cars are starting to roll in, so if you have nothing to do, come on out and check it out. This all serves a great cause and a bunch of wonderful people out here. So come check out the show. American Running Garage.
I am. Thank you.
What's up, everybody? Just got back from the Mount Zion Baptist Church in Macon, Georgia for their second annual car show. It was fantastic. Hopefully it grows bigger and bigger in the future. What a awesome group of people. That the people at the church were fantastic. The food was fantastic. The music was fantastic. There was a lot of awesome cars. I can't say enough about this car show. All the proceeds go to an assisted living that's right down the road. These guys really go out of their way to take care of those folks too. They do Thanksgiving, Christmas, gifts, food, you name it, this church does it for them. If you're looking for a church, I would definitely check out that one. The car show overall was fantastic. Jenna's Jeep ended up winning Best Jeep, or the pastor's choice, and then Kitsune made the top 25. So if you're in the top 25, it was out of all the vehicles that were there, so I was really happy about that. There were some really cool vehicles. All right, guys, have a good one. Until next time.